In this video, I'm going to show you how to manage a position on Kalshi. So this is going to depend on the market, but you're typically able to sell your shares early to lock in a profit or cut a loss instead of waiting for an event to resolve. What you could also do is you can buy more shares if you want to increase your exposure. And of course, you are able to view your unrealized P&L, average entry price, and current market value. You also have the option to close part of your position rather than all of it if you want to reduce risk. So this is typically going to happen during the event itself. So let's say you did this during a soccer game and you bought 10 yes shares at 40 cents. And then later, the market price moves up to 65 cents. You could sell all 100 shares and realize about a $25 profit before any applicable fees, or you could sell 50 shares and keep 50 shares open. You can hold until the settlement where each yes share is worth either $1 if yes occurs or 0 if it doesn't. So at any point in time, you're able to take profits, you're able to limit losses, reduce your risk, or increase your position. At any point in time, you want to make sure you have Kalshi open and up. You want to look at your actual trade going in live. And you want to look and trade as the event is going live. And then during the actual event, that is when you guys are able to actually manage your positions and make any necessary adjustments. So if you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.